Hey everybody, this is Zach with Graft Outdoors, and today we're going to talk about the top 5, maybe 6 or 7 things that you should have in your survival kit. So without further ado, let's take a look. So a number of these products are available on Amazon or wherever, and we'll post some links below. A number of them are also things that we make. So here we've got our survival kit. It's in one of our stuff sacks. Let's go and take a look. So one of the things you should always have with you is a blanket. Emergency blanket. Works great for either building a shelter or sleeping or rain protection. Another thing that's really underlooked is some sort of signaling tape. I've got bright orange here, fluorescent orange. This is really useful for when you are trying to survive and be found, or marking clues or things like that, or water sources. Okay. Another thing you should have, compass. This one's a pretty solid one here. Post a link to that down below. Alright, another thing you should always have in your survival kit, some sort of fire starting kit. So here I've got some coconut, cotton ball, tinder fire starters, and a fire starter necklace. So it's lightweight, it's ceramic striker with a ferrocerium rod, so this will light up in any condition. I like to keep at least 10 feet of paracord with me at all times. This I can use to tie a number of things. I can also split the ends if I need it to sew something or use it for fishing line. So paracord, always useful. Then always good to keep some sort of bandage or a potential wound covering in your survival kit. You never know when you're going to have some sort of minor injury that's going to need tended to. Taking care of minor injuries, keeping them dry, keeping them clean, prevents minor scrapes and cuts from becoming major issues that you have to worry about later on. Another thing I like to always carry with me in the survival kit is some sort of knife. This one's just a buck folding knife here. I don't even know how long I've had this particular knife. It's been a while, but I don't use this one in my day-to-day carry, or everyday carry, or any of my hunting or fishing knives. So this is a good knife that I know I can rely on if I need it, but I don't need it every day. So it's always in my survival kit, ready to go. Well, thanks for watching this video. I think it ended up being 7 things if you count the fire starter and the tinder as one item. I think this would be a basic survival kit get up. One thing you should probably add would be some sort of water purification device, whether it's water purification tablets, which can be pretty cheap and small, or if you actually wanted to add a water purification tube, like a Sawyer mini squeeze for instance, which is a little bit bulky. I think it'd be as big as this one. But there's some other various water filtration straws and things like that out there that would work in a pinch. But again, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and if you have other things that you carry in your survival kit, leave a comment below.